Hey, my riders, down here on Ocean Boulevard, got a slew of trucks going on down through here. Like the green lights, looks real good, looks real good. I think I saw this gentleman earlier. Hey, what's up, fellas? Yeah, and then we got, I like this one right here, Mr. State Trooper. He's got riding around a nice ride all day long. Hey, we appreciate you, man. We appreciate you keeping us safe. Alrighty. Yep, so they're nice and friendly down here. They don't bother you unless you bother them. They got a job to do just like you got a job to do, you know? So, yep. Alright, so we got a bunch of nice trucks here. Yeah. Oh yeah. So nice. Gotta love the Super Duties. Oh yeah. Come on. That's right. Got a lot of them coming through. Got some different shows coming up around through here. Like all the red up underneath of it. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? So, yep. It's nice. Love that. Oh yeah. What you think, folks? Look good? Yeah. Got some real footage for you today. They thick up in here. Yeah. Got a Denali. Looks real good. Oh no, not the blue lights. My favorite cop car, the Mustang. Woo. Oh yeah. Got a nice looking Super Duty right here. Got another one coming through. Got those lights on glow right there. Oh yeah.